Samsung go after perfection. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you all are doing well. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4 are out, and we see some of the new features in Z Fold 4 which makes Z Fold 4 a perfect foldable for this year. Samsung launched Z Fold 4 on August 10th along with Z Flip 4, Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro and Galaxy Buds. But things to notice, if you want Z Fold 4, then you should go for it right now, because with that you guys will get a $200 credit on your device, and a good news for Z Fold 3 users who want to trade off their Z Fold 3. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below what features do you like the most on Z Fold 4 and are you willing to trade off your Z Fold 3? Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 didn't bring big changes in design, but few changes that make Z Fold 4 stand out from Z Fold 3. And even according to TM Brew, Flip 4 and Fold 4 focused on improving the level of perfection, which means Z Fold 4 is a refined version of its predecessor Z Fold 3. And that is true, you may see a little change in Z Fold 4 design, where we only see a slightly smaller and wider display, just because of the new hinge design we see on Z Fold 4, quite small compared to Z Fold 3, and that thing also reduced the crease visibility, but not to an extent where we don't see it. The only thing that stands out for Z Fold 3 is its new cameras, and that could potentially the reason for some people to switch to Z Fold 4, a 50 megapixel instead of just 12 megapixel on Z Fold 3. The ultra-wide 12 megapixel remains the same, but we also get a 10 megapixel telephoto with 3x zoom, and selfie cameras and UDC under display cameras are still the same. Samsung just managed the pixels with UDC a bit better than the last generation Z Fold 3. We can say the Z Fold 4 potentially give everything it needs to. Wireless charging up to 15 watt, 25 watt fast charger that could charge your phone within an hour, IPX8 water resistance, which in this league almost no foldable phone is able to provide, not even that recent Xiaomi Mix Fold 2. If you guys are on Z Fold 3, you really don't need to update to Z Fold 4. But if you are a technology lover and want to explore it, then Z Fold 4 could be a good option with new software features. But your Z Fold 4 and previous foldables will get Z Fold 4 software features later this year, which is a good thing from Samsung. The future of smartphones are foldables, and Samsung is proceeding towards it. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below what feature do you like the most on Z Fold 4, and are you willing to trade off your Z Fold 3? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out!